right, here comes River down to the river. That's pretty appropriate. He's gone about a quarter of a mile on a trail ride down to the entrance of the ranch, and we're going to ask him to go through this water. And then up the other side. And we've got a road up here, and he's going to walk to the mailboxes. Then we're going to turn around. And we've got a cement bridge here that a lot of horses have a little bit of trouble going through and over. And so instead of going back through the water, we're going to go down the cement bridge. All right, and so this shows you some of his trail skills. And this is River, 2-year-old Brula gelding.